Congratulations, you guys are all now officially a part of a diversely inclusive event. You're welcome. You're welcome. Megan, I'll take my cut in singles at the end of the night. Yeah, amazing. So guys, I'm going through this thing right now. I call it self-discovery. You know, I'm not in college anymore. Also, hashtag never going back. 1 degree, good enough. And I'm doing this whole self-discovery thing, finding out about myself, nitpicking. It's a millennial thing. It's how we do. And I've come across a couple things. One thing I've noticed about me is that I'm aging. Shocker. I'm aging. My body is aging. I can feel it. Notice I didn't say getting old, because I know some of you old motherfuckers take that personally, get offended. So out of pure respect, I say aging, because that's the kind of person I am. I knew I was aging, however, when I realized that my knees, they have an attitude problem. My knees have an attitude problem. You ever had your own body parts curse you out? Right. Amazing. It takes me literally, all I have to do is walk up 2 flights of stairs, take a couple laps around the track, and my knees literally twist up like a motherfucking fortune cookie and look at me like, bitch, what the fuck you doing? No, we're not here for all that. All we do is walk. You're doing a lot. Yeah, my bad. My bad. I'm just trying to be mobile. Okay. Let me calm down. It's amazing. I just noticed. I was like, damn, my body really catching up to me. And it sucks because it really hit me when I noticed when I'm sitting down that I'm most comfortable when my legs are in obtuse positions. Okay? Well, let me tell you something, baby. When I get that motherfucking leg propped up to that perfect 156-degree angle right there, amazing. I'm just in paradise. My shit be looking like 2 used bendy straws. That's it. This is it. This is nirvana for me right here. That's as good as it gets. I say, yeah, bitch, you're getting older. Bitch, you're getting older. Yeah. And you know, it's crazy because I'm getting old, but this really has been something I've suffered with my entire life. I'm actually triggered, hashtag triggered. And I think about my youth back in the day. And you know when you used to be in grade school and, you know, we all used to sit down in circles because apparently that's the only shape that children understand. And so we all had to sit down and crisscross applesauce. And, you know, the little cute girls, I couldn't stand them when they could twist their leg up to the back and sit on their foot like that. Who? I ain't never sat on a foot in my life. My foot ain't never hit my ass in my life. Okay? I'm telling you right now, I'm the only motherfucking female in Miss Prohaska's second grade class in the reading circle taking a knee like this right here. This is before Cap made it cool. I started this shit. Yeah, 2002, I'm in the reading circle like this. You said what, Miss Crown? Okay. By the damn end of the story, I'm in the back of the class in a downward-facing dog with a foam roller, looking up child physical therapist in the yellow pages. Some bullshit. Motherfucking knees hurt. Yeah, my body is aging. My body is aging. Another thing that I discovered about myself in this self-discovery is, I don't think that I enjoy sex at the rate that I should as a 20-something fine ass woman. Yeah, thank you, because I'm bad. And I don't enjoy sex the way that I should because, you know, I feel like this point in my life, sex is supposed to be like, yes, up! And I'm like, can we just rip it a little? Like, just, we gotta tear it up, because well, we need something for later. It just seems destructive to tear that ass up. I don't want to use some ass later, and then we all out. Now what? We fucked up. You know, I think sex for me is really like getting on one of them wild ass water slides, and then halfway down, somebody turn the water off. You know what I mean? At this point, you already on the ride. You just gotta get to the end, one scoot at a time. Get there. And that's how it is for me. I'm all in, and then somewhere in the middle, I'm just like, we're still here. All right. You know, and I just really, the problem, guys, here, the real issue of it is that sex requires so many capabilities I just don't organically possess. You know what I mean? Sex appeal, stamina, good knees. I don't have it, and it struggles. You know what I mean? It only take your man one time for him to be like, drop it like it's hot, and you release it like it's warm, and then you sing it. Yeah. Now we all mad, you know. because I fucked up. I'm not good. I'm discovering things about myself. You know what I mean? One time, my man is here, so this is amazing. I'm sorry. You know, that's him. Yeah. One time he said, baby, I want, he said, this is what he said. He said, baby, I want you to dance for me. I said, damn. You want me to dance for you? Okay. And I thought it was appropriate to crump. He said, you got one more fucking time. You got one more time to fuck with me. So at this point in my life, I'm just winging it and I'm gonna let it go how it go. Y'all, JaMaya, thank you guys. Y'all.